Welcome back. So today we have something a little different. We're not going to be repairing a backflow. We're actually going to be adding to it. Someone went ahead and removed the bypass on this one, and so I just picked up this account. So we're going to go ahead and put a new one back on. You can see there's no bypass, so we're going to go ahead. I got the kit and put it all back in and get it back up to code. Gonna look something like this, but there's gonna be a meter here, which I'm not gonna install today. The villager I think is gonna come and put it on, so they could wire it up to their network so they know if there's a leak, and then this connects to there. Alright, let's get the valves off here. So now with our valves off, let's make sure the water is actually off. Perfect. Now, so it's going to be on your number 2 and 4. So we got to go ahead and start pulling these off. Unfortunately, because that's going to hit there, we're going to have to take this all kind of apart and spin things into place as we go. So let's do that. At this point, we have everything on. We can isolate it here and here. Obviously that's off, and we can do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the water just to make sure that there's nothing dripping or leaking right now, because it's a lot easier to fix it now than it will be when we get it all together and you have to do that. So we'll just go ahead and get a little water going. Water's on. Everything looks good. That's the water from when I pulled it off. So I can move forward and get the rest in. they give you the gasket, so go ahead and get this on here. And like I said, they're going to put the meter in. It's going to be a 3/4 by 5/8 or 5/8 by 3/4 meter. So we're just going to put a little spacer in today to get it running so I can test it. Now when they come, they can just drop this out, drop the meter in, and it'll be good to go. Last thing to do is get this test and submit it to the village so they know they can come put the meter in. Thanks for watching.